Are you tired of hunting through Elementor to add your site title? Learn the exact clicks to place it in under 2 minutes. First, we'll open the page in Elementor. Then, we'll access the site widgets, and I'll show you exactly where to click to get the title in place. Start by going to the home page and clicking Edit with Elementor to open it in the builder. Once it's open, click on the highlighted area on the page to select it. Now, click on the Site option in the sidebar. Then, click on Site Title to choose that element. Go ahead and click on Use Site Title widget and dozens more pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster and better. Then, click Upgrade Now to continue. Finally, click on the highlight to wrap things up. And that's it! You've successfully added the site title in Elementor. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.